Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your daily English podcast. I am your host, Lisa. Today, we have a very special episode, the phrase guide. We know that grammar is important, but to speak quickly, you need to know phrases. A phrase is a group of words that people say often and it is ready to use. Our goal today is to give you more than 50 phrases you can use today. Our friend Paul is here to help us. Hello again, Paul.
Hello, Lisa. Knowing phrases is like having money in your pocket. You can spend them immediately. We will learn phrases for greetings, shopping, and asking for help. Paul, why learn phrases instead of just individual words?
Because phrases are automatic. If you learn the phrase, how are you, you don't need to stop and think about the grammar. The whole sentence is ready in your brain. This makes your speaking faster and your confidence higher.
That sounds great. Let's start with the first set of essential phrases. Our first category is the most common, greetings and manners. These are the phrases you use when you meet someone and when you are polite.
These phrases open the conversation door. Number 1, how is your date going? This is a very common way to say hello.
This is better than just how are you because it talks about the whole day. Number 2, it's nice to meet you. Use this the first time you see a person. When someone says their name, you say this. Number 3, excuse me please. Use this in two ways. When you need to walk past someone or when you need to start talking to a stranger. Number 4, I appreciate that. A simple way to say thank you. Appreciate means you are grateful. Number 5, no problem at all. Use this instead of you're welcome. It means the favor was easy. Number 6, I am sorry for the delay. Use this when you arrive late. Delay means you are slow or late.
Our next category is for when you need help, asking for information. These are essential for daily tasks.
These are questions. You must remember to use rising tone at the end of the question. Number 7, what time is it? The fastest way to know the time. Number 8, where is the restroom? A polite way to ask for the bathroom. Use restroom or bathroom. Number 9, how much does it cost? The essential phrase for shopping and buying things. Number 10, how do I get there? Use this after someone tells you a place. It asks for the directions. You can also say, can you tell me the way? Number 11, could you spell that for me? Use this when you don't understand a word or a name. It is very polite. Number 12, what do you recommend? Use this in a restaurant or a shop. Recommend means what is the best choice?
This next set of phrases helps you talk about yourself and your feelings. Talking about feelings. These phrases use the verb to feel or to be.
Number 13, I feel much better now. Use this after you were sick or after a problem is fixed. Number 14, I'm really looking forward to it. Use this when you are very excited about a future event. Looking forward means excited. Number 15, I'm running late today. A simple way to tell someone you will be late. Number 16, I need a short break. Use this at work or when studying. Break means stop for a short time. Number 17, I'm trying my best. Use this when something is hard. It shows you are working hard. Number 18, I had a rough day. Rough means difficult or bad. This is a common phrase to say your day was not good.
Our next category is very practical: shopping and buying things. These are used at a store or a market.
These phrases help you complete a transaction from start to finish. Number 19. Do you have this in a size 10? Use this to ask for a different size of clothes or shoes. Number 20. I'm just looking, thank you. Use this when a shop assistant asks, can I help you? But you don't need help. Looking means just walking and seeing. Number 21. Can I pay by credit card? A polite way to ask how to pay. Number 22. Could I get a receipt, please? A receipt is the paper that shows you paid. Always ask for this. Number 23. I would like to return this. Use this if you bought something and want to give it back to the store. Number 24. Is there a sale today? A sale means the price is lower. Good to ask.
Our next category is for being friendly: small talk. Small talk is light, easy conversation.
Small talk is about things that are easy to agree on, like the weather or the weekend. Number 25. What have you been up to lately? A great way to start a conversation with a friend. It means, what new things have you done? Number 26. I totally agree with you. A strong way to say you have the same opinion. Number 27. That sounds like fun. Use this when someone tells you about their good weekend plan. Number 28. Oh, really? Tell me more. Use this when you want the other person to continue talking about a topic. Number 30. I should get going now. A polite way to say you need to leave the conversation. Number 30. Let's keep in touch. Use this when saying goodbye. It means, let's talk again soon. Next, we need to know how to share our thoughts, expressing opinions.
Remember, always start with a gentle phrase to introduce your opinion. Number 31. In my opinion, the clearest way to tell people you are sharing your personal view. Number 32. I'm not sure about that. A soft way to say I disagree. It is very polite. Number 33. I have mixed feelings. Use this when you like some parts of an idea, but you don't like other parts. Mixed means both good and bad. Number 34. That makes sense. Use this when you understand the other person's idea and agree it is logical. Number 35. I completely understand. Use this to show empathy and agreement. Number 36. I feel the same way. A simple way to agree about a feeling or an idea.
This squeak reel is crucial for English learners, asking for help and clarification. When you don't understand, you must speak up. These phrases are your safety net. Never be scared to ask for clarification. Number 37. Could you say that again, please? The most polite way when you didn't hear the person. Number 38. What do you mean by that? Use this when you don't understand the meaning of a word or a sentence. Number 39. Could you speak a little slower? Essential phrase for when a native speaker is talking too fast. Number 40. Could you give me an example? When a rule or idea is difficult, an example helps a lot. Number 41. I need some assistance. A more formal way to say, I need help. Number 42. I'm having trouble with. Use this to explain the problem simply. I'm having trouble with this grammar.
Our next category helps you talk about your day, daily routines, and plan. These phrases use time and action words. Number 43. What time should we meet? The key question when planning someone. Number 44. I have a lot on my plate. A common idiom. On my plate means I have many things to do. Use this when you are busy. Number 45. I will get back to you soon. Use this when you need time to think or check something before applying. Number 46. I try to wake up early. Talking about your regular morning habits. Number 47. I need to run some errands. An errand is a small trip to do something necessary, like buying groceries or going to the bank. Number 48. How do you usually spend your weekends? A great question for getting to know someone.
The last category is farewells and encouragement. How to end the conversation and be supportive. These phrases are simple and leave a good feeling at the end of the conversation. Number 49. Number 49. Have a wonderful day. A standard warm goodbye. Number 50. Take care of yourself. A phrase that shows you care about the other person. Number 51. It was a pleasure talking to you. A very formal and polite way to end. Number 52. I'll text you later. A common informal way to say goodbye to a friend. Number 53. Keep up the great work. Use this to encourage someone who is working hard. Number 54. I'm rooting for you. Rooting for you means I hope you succeed. Use this before a big test or challenge.
Paul, this was amazing. We learned 54 essential phrases that cover every part of the day, from greetings to goodbyes.
That's right, Lisa. Remember, do not try to learn all 54 today. Choose only 5 phrases from this list and practice saying them out loud to yourself 10 times each.
Excellent advice. Your homework is to choose 5 phrases from this list and use them in a sentence today. Use the self-talk rule from our last episode. Thank you for listening to your daily English podcast. We hope these phrases help your speaking become faster and more confident. Until next time, keep studying English. Bye. See you next episode.